In this window you can change the email from the app and Instagram. I am Social Pro Tutorials and I show it to you already. To change that email we will go to the Instagram app, and after that we will go to our profile and click on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen. After that we will see this menu and click on Settings and Privacy, the first option. Once in Instagram settings, click on Account Center, the first option. Now we must look at the account settings category and click on the first option called Personal Details. Here we will click on Contact Info, the first option, and we will see at the bottom this button Add New Contact. We will click on it. After that we will click on Add Email, which is what we are looking for. All we have to do here is enter our email and select the account to which we want to link this email. It is important to note that this new email will replace the previous one in the case of having an email already linked to the chosen account. After completing this process, will send us a confirmation message and accept it to confirm changes. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and give a big like. See you in future tutorials about social networks here in Social Pro Tutorials. Thanks for watching us.